the view from 16 feet up. This is ground level. I debated which end to film this from. Couldn't come up with a good solution, so we'll go both ends. This is the result of 2 white oak trees that I felled and milled. Here's the top and the cants. That is, you can't do nothing else with it. The slabs on the outside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 10-foot logs, and a 26-footer that I sawed into 10s and 16s. That's them on the left, and 2 26-inch boards right there. I done took one elsewhere. Cants and tops. There's the working trick axe. Started right here. I was using a 372 XP. I guess I'm not real familiar with the sight lines on it. The tree I hit was right about there. I was trying to put it right in this area. I was off about 6 feet. Professional fellers or tree fallers can get within inches, but I was off feet. Anyway, I hung this tree in another one, and then as I cut it, it barber chaired. About 15 feet up, I lost some lumber, but gained a lot of really nice kindling. And you can see the logs. Like this is right here. I cut one 26-foot section, and I needed 2 26-foot boards. I've already extradited one, and then these are 16s here, and I took another pile of 16s out already too. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 10-footers that I milled into lumber. We'll go up and look at the result of the barber chair. It was right here. As I began to cut it, it split up about 15 feet, and I was out of the way, everything was safe. Anyway, this is the result. Splintered wood. I've cut another tree like this once before, but it was hit by lightning, and that's what it looked like. But a lot of good kindling there. Some in a bucket. But, the canopy is opened up a lot now. Be a lot of seedlings come back in here. Hear that bird in the background? The foxes have their holes and the birds have their nest, but the Son of Man hath not where to lay his head. Thank you for watching.